Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be recreating the Huda Beauty's makeup on her rose gold palette cover. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, please keep on watching. First, I'm priming my lids using Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. Then I'm gonna set it with Laura Mercier translucent powder. Now I'm applying this lighter pinky shade on my crease. And now I'm using a smaller brush to apply this burgundy shade on my lid. I'm also gonna apply it on my outer corner and inner corners as well. Now going back to a fluffier brush using this pinky shade and pop it right on top of that shade. I'm gonna blend it with my fingers a little. And since the concealer is still wet, I'm dipping into this shade and popping right on my lid. To make that shimmer shade pop a little more, I'm dipping into rose gold and go right in the middle, just a tiny bit. Now with a more precise brush, I'm dipping into this shade and pop it on my outer corners. And on my crease. Inner corners as well. Now I'm applying moon dust on my brow bone. And a little on my inner corners as well. Now I'm doing a wing liner using Kat Von D tattoo liner. I'm applying some mascara. Now it's time to pop on some lashes. Okay, the eyes are done. Now it's time for face makeup. For foundation, I'm using Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, and it's in the shade Honey Bronze. I'm using Morphe Y6 brush to apply the foundation. Now I'm using Fenty Beauty matchsticks to contour my face. I'm using the small kabuki brush to blend my contour. Now I'm using NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. And again, I'm using Y6 brush to blend it out. Now I'm using Laura Mercier translucent powder to set my concealer. I'm also setting my smile lines and wherever I put concealer on. For brows, I'm using Anastasia Brow Wiz, and it's in the shade Soft Brown. Now I'm popping the same burgundy shade on my lower lash line. And I'm dipping into this light peachy shade to blend it out. Now I'm using a black liner in my waterline. And some bottom lash mascara. Now it's time to bronze up my face using Hoola bronzer. Now I'm using this Becca, Chloe, and Malika collab palette, and I'm using this blush, like a shimmery blush shade. And I'm mixing in these two highlighter shades with the fluffy brush and applying it on my cheekbones. A little on my forehead. For lipstick, I'm using this Estee Lauder MV color lipstick. It's kind of similar to the one that she used on this picture. I feel like it's a little too pinkish compared to the one she has on this picture. So this one is kind of like it has a gold shimmer on it. So I'm gonna try to put a little bit of this color and see how it goes. Yeah, definitely better. Now I'm gonna finish up this look with some Urban Decay setting spray. Oh, I kind of want to pop on some highlighter on my chest as well. Okay guys, this is the final results trying to recreate the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Palette cover makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you guys on my next video.